welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY spring twist hair and use it to make butterfly locks. Before I go any further, I have to mention that I got this idea from Love It Speaks channel. I will leave the link down in the description box. Put the hair around the straw, but make sure to leave a space about 1 or 1.5 inches from the top of the straw. Then you're going to wrap the hair around the straw tightly. When you wrap to a certain point, you need to bend the top of the straw that you left and put the bobby pin on it so that you secure the top part of the hair. When it comes down to the end of the hair, just keep on wrapping it in one place, and that will lock in the end of the hair and make sure that it doesn't pull out. Then you will need to trim off the little tiny hairs around it. When you're finished, dip this in boiling water and they should come out like this. I used this parting pattern, but the locks would be in the middle of my hair, so I did a center part instead. Pull the hair through with the crochet hook and use the shorter piece to wrap around the root tightly. Then put the end of the shorter piece into the long one and wrap around the hair loosely to get that distressed look. When you're adding on more hair, add the hair directly below where the original thickness of the hair stops. comes to the end of the hair, bend the end and wrap the hair going upwards. This is the final look. Okay, so in all I have 34 partings and I use about 27 of the spring twist. I thought that I would need more, but when I checked I used about 3/4 for one of these, 3/4 of each spring twist, and sometimes I use one. It depends because I do them in different lengths. So yeah, it's very lightweight. I don't feel anything at all, and that's good.
Turn back now.